learning English for my children. I make money for my children. I make friend with his teacher. Everything. Do you know in Chinese parents is very, very poor. Not poor is not the economic poor.
Okay.
It's just in prayers poor.
I understand. You are rich in the heart.
Yes, I do my best. Not for me, but for all children in China. I want all children in China will live better than me, than ours. Not for economic, not for food, just spring, yes, just for I just want
Education.
Education and innovation.
Education is power.
My opening just for education, not for politics.
Innovation, education, and for a better future.
Yes, just for creativity. Creativity, yes. Thank you. Another new word. Creativity. Creation.
Creativity, innovation, education.
Creativity, innovation, education.
好，很好，非常好。
谢谢，非常感谢，
没关系。
十分感谢。
Like, comment, and subscribe. Click that bell notification. Follow me on HelloTalk. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe. Am I finished?